Hello, welcome to our English class for 10-year-old second language learners. My name is Ruth Oyange, a student at Aga Khan University, Dar es Salaam. Today in our English lesson, we are going to talk about nouns. From our description, we know that nouns are names of things, places, people, and animals. We have got examples of nouns. For example, when we look at examples of naming words for people, we have got words like mother, doctor, friend, nurse, and many others. Examples of things, words that can be used to name things, are words such as book, cup, hat, apple, car, grass, house, and many others. Now, we want to look at some examples of things. When we look at the picture, we can see many things. How can we identify things? We say that things are those items that do not have life. For example, we have a pencil, table, blackboard, a bag, a book, chair, a slide, a duster, a desk, a swing, a bell, chalk, and many others. Examples of people, as you can see from the crowd. In that crowd, we have got men, we have got women, we have got boys, we have got girls. We can also think about people in terms of what they are doing, where we can think about a teacher or even a doctor, among many others. Then we have examples of animals. And when we look at that picture, we can see some of the animals that are there in the picture. For example, we can see the elephant, we can see the cheetah, the cats, the goats, we can see the dog, the zebra, and even the kangaroo. There are other animals that we can also name. Examples of places that we know. We have got the hospital, as we can see from the picture. We have a stadium where games are played. We have a market where we buy things. And we have a school where children learn. Nouns can be classified into two. We have got countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those things that can be counted. When we are writing countable nouns in their singular form, we can add a, an, and the. Those are articles. We have got examples of countable nouns. For example, we have an apple if it is one. When there are many, we can say 3 apples. We have a banana. Many, we can say 5 bananas. A sandwich, 2 sandwiches. A cake, 9 cakes. A bun, 4 buns. And many other nouns. Apart from countable nouns, we also have uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns come in the form of those things that we cannot count. There are very many things that we cannot count, but among them we have got material that is found in some of the articles that we know. For example, we have bread. We can count the slices of bread, but we cannot count the bread in the bread. We can count jars of jam, but we cannot count jam. Other examples are things like rice, tea, cereals like maize, beans. We have got juice, we have got salt, water, cheese, meat, soup, chocolate, flour, milk, sugar, and butter. Those are among the many uncountable nouns that we know. In our lesson today, we have learned the following. 1. That nouns are names of people, for example, doctor, teacher, boy, girl, shopkeeper, and many others. We have also learned names of animals such as a dog, zebra, cow, cat, goat, kangaroo, and many others. Other nouns that we have learnt about are nouns that name things. For example, furniture, desk, table, duster, and chalk, among many others. We have also learnt about nouns that name places. For example, market, hospital, school, stadium, among many others. And we have also learned in our lesson today that nouns can be counted, and that those nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. We have also looked at examples of countable nouns. We have said one is a banana, many are bananas, apple and apples, egg, eggs, book and books, among many others. Finally, we have learned that uncountable nouns are those things that cannot be counted. For example, milk cannot be counted, juice, salt, sugar, air, hair, and grass. Those ones are among the many things that we have learned today. We have reached the end of our lesson for today, and thank you for being with us. Goodbye.